Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use QuickBooks for landscaping or lawn care business.
So here, the first thing that we are going to do is to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for QuickBooks. Okay, and then you just have to click on the first website, and you will be directed to their website. So right here, just simply click on the Get Started option, and then you'll be able to see here the different plans. So we have four different plans. So we have Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, and Advanced. So currently we are using the Plus plan. Okay, so after selecting your plan, then you just have to proceed to the payment section, and then you just have to purchase that plan. Okay, so after creating your account, we have to set up your QuickBooks account. So we have to choose the QuickBooks Online. So this one is best for service-based businesses like landscaping. So when asked about your business type, select service-based business or other services. So we have to enter your business name, address, and contact details. So to do that, you just have to go here. So you just have to add here your company name. And then if you have a logo, then you just have to add your own logo as well. Okay, so again, for the business type, make sure to select the service-based business or other services. All right, so right here we have our company type. So just going to edit this one and then select your company. Okay, for the industry, make sure to select the service-based business or other services. Okay, so I'm just going to select other. Okay, so for example, service-based business. Service-based business. Right? Then I just have to save this one. Okay, and then after that, of course, for your legal information, so this is the info your business uses for tax purposes. So make sure to select your to add your legal business name, your tax identification number, the business type, the legal address, and you also have here your customer contact info. So this is how customers get in touch with you. And then after adding your company information, let us now customize your chart of accounts. So your chart of accounts helps you organize your income and expenses. So you can add categories like income for loan care services. So you just have to go here to the expenses section. Okay, so we have your expenses, your bills, purchase orders, and then your suppliers. So for the expenses, we can add here like fuel, equipment repair, landscaping materials, labor, insurance, and vehicle maintenance. Right? So here for the expenses section, we just have to create a new transaction. Okay, and then make sure to select the expense. So I'm just going to add here one example. For example, equipment repair. So who did you pay? Okay, so you just have to make sure to add here the contact information of your supplier. All right, so make sure to select the supplier for this one, and then you just have to add here the full information. Then after that, for the payment account, okay, so make sure to select the inventory. And then for the payment dates, you just have to add it right here as well as the payment method for this one. All right, and then for the category, just have to add here the category. See what is the category of these expenses. Okay, so for example, we have here like equipment rental. So let's just use this one. And then you just have to add here the description of this category. And then of course, the amount. So for example, 2,000. That's right. Then after that, you just have to add here the memo as well as the attachment. After that, you just have to save and close this section. All right, so I'm just going to skip this part after that. And then the next thing that we are going to do is to create and send invoices. Okay, so to do that, let's just go to the invoices. Right, so here is the invoices. So just have to simply click on it. Okay, and then you just have to create a new invoice. So just simply click on the create new invoice. And then I just have to enter the client name, the service date, and the description. Okay, like for example, lawn mowing for 3 properties weekly service. So you just have to add it right here to the customer. So you just have to select your customer. And then you just have to add here the customer email. And then you just have to select your product service. All right. So yeah, I'm just going to select services and then just have to add your description, the quantity, the rate, and then the amount. And you'll be able to see here now the total amount and the balance due, as well as you can also add here your message on invoice and then the message on the statement. So after that, you just have to save and send this one to your customer. All right. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to track the expenses and the receipt. So in order to do that is we have to connect your business bank account or card so that QuickBooks automatically import the transactions. So we can also categorize them into fuel, supplies, equipment, rental, or we can also use a mobile app to snap picture of receipt on the go. Now, to manage the employees or contractors, if you have a team, so you can use the QuickBooks Payroll to handle wages, taxes, and payslips. So if you work with freelancers or seasonal help, set them up as contractors and track what you pay them for the tax reporting. So you can also go here on the employee section. That's right, and then you can input here their details. Okay. So again, you have to set them up as contractors and track what you paid them for the tax report. All right, so just have to add here your employees. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is to monitor your finances. So how we can do that? In order for you to monitor your finances, is we can the QuickBooks automatically generates reports such as profit and loss, shows your income and expenses, your cash flow statement, and then the customer balance summary. You still also see the payment. So these reports help you to make better decisions in pricing and managing expenses. So to see the reports, so we have here standard, custom, and management reports. So let's just go with these standard reports. All right, so we have that right here. So we have the 3 different categories at the top. So we just have to select which report we want to see. So for example, for the profit and loss by customer, simply click on it. All right. And then you'll be able to see here now the profit and loss. Okay, and then you can also connect this pair of PayPal for easy payments, Google Calendar to track chats, and then mileage tracking apps like QuickBooks Mileage Tracker to record travel for tax deductions. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.